So hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It's been so long since I did a YouTube tutorial and I'm so happy to get back here and create this look for you today. It's a super simple, beginner friendly eyeshadow look for the festive season. I'm going to start with the Huda Naughty Nude Eyeshadow palette, and the brush I'm using today is the blending brush from Milagro Beauty. This is a recent brand which I've been using and I really like their brushes. No advertisement, no sponsor, it's just a personal opinion, really good ones. So we're going to apply the color and buff out the edges. I'm keeping it super beginner friendly, hence I'm starting with the lighter tones and then we're going to slowly build up the intensity. That way it's not going to be very overwhelming for you. So blend out the edges, and when you go towards the outer corner, you want to flick it outwards and you want to take it. So do this when your eye is open. That way you have an idea about the shape. And then I'm going to take the lighter blending kind of a shade, which is Hypnotic, and we're going to switch to another blending brush and slowly blend out the uppermost edges. It's kind of like a matte shade which matches my skin tone. You can also do this step with loose powder. Now we're going to create a little bit of depth by using the shade, which is like a darker brown. And as you can see, because I'm going lighter color to the darker color, you don't get that much intensity, but this is a lot more easy for you to build it up, especially if you're a beginner. So we're going to apply that right in the outer corner first, and I'm slightly taking it into the crease under the orange shade. So make sure that the colors are arranged in that way. And now we're going to make it a little more smokier, a little more darker with the deepest, kind of like a plumish brown. So we're going to apply that in the outer corner as well as the inner area. I just felt like we can create a halo look. So after that, we're going to pick up the shimmer and we're going to pat it right in the middle. I was just not in the mood for gold because gold does not work really well on medium to deeper skin tone. It just looks a little stark. So I felt like this shade, which is a little more bronze, looks better and it gives you this wet feeling on the lid. It's not a very bright color also, so it's going to be very subtle on you. So you can just apply it right in the middle and slightly blend out the edges. Moving on to this kohl pencil from Mattlook. I've been loving this one. It's kind of like a coppery kind of a color. I really like it. It's a shimmery one also, and I don't know, I just really like this one. So we're going to apply that at the waterline. It's again going to be simple to apply a color and make sure it does not look very stark. And then we're going to go ahead with the same deepest brown and apply that in the lower lash line using the Milagro's pencil brush. I'm applying that towards the inner corner too, but in case you want to add a highlighter, you can, but I just wanted the smokiness there too. Now going ahead with a little bit of mascara and applying false lashes. So these lashes are from a brand called as Onmo Beauty, and this one is in the style Peaches. It's kind of like a very fluttery looking one. You do not have to do this. It's just a step which I wanted to add today, but you can always stop with mascara and some eyeliner if needed. So I hope you all enjoyed this and stay tuned for more, and until next time, bye bye.